exercises. Some nights I go for a run, some nights I go for a ride. Just got to watch the pollution levels here in Chiangmai. As you can see just ahead there, is Shutoff. There's all the students coming out for dinner. Speed generally is about 24 on the Brommy. I suppose if I was on my road bike I'd be doing about 30. Depends what mood I'm in. Go through some villages and slowly make my way around Glen Canyon area, then back out to Hoi Gao Road and on to through the Chiangmai University, back up to Shutoff, over Shutoff Road into Shutoff and back to Mehia, whereas that's where I'm staying. And don't worry, I've been staying home for the past month pretty well every day. Just going out at night for just before dusk for a nice little exercise, a nice little run or a ride. I mean, I'll go insane if I don't. So my current plan is it looks like I'm going to stay here for the next 3 months at least, because the Thai government have been very considerate and given us an amnesty of 3 months. So we'll get, we can stay up to the August the 1st. So it's from 3 months from the end of this month. So from May the 1st to August the 1st we can stay if we want. We don't have to renew visas or pay for visas. Otherwise we could have risked paying 500 baht a day as a penalty. Anyway, oh, that's a little ad for the zoo by DTAC. Giraffes and panda bears inside. Not that I'm a zoo person, but that's what it's like in there. It's closed at the moment, of course. So that's just at the foot of Doi Suthep, which is the biggest mountain in Chiangmai. Of course, you just go out of Chiangmai, you go to Doi Intanon, which is bigger again, but that's a little bit further. That's probably about 70 kilometres from where I am at the moment. I'll turn my lights on now. I'll show you how they go. This is a little cheapie I got at the market a few years ago, and it still works really well. And on the front, I've got the little bolt. This is the Bolt 2 or Bolt 3. It's a cat eye that I got for the Brompton. I haven't charged it since I've been in Thailand. They're both USB charged, and it just mounts onto a little mount here. You take the reflector off. There she is. It's a great little light. It's got quite a few settings on it. That's the one I usually use. 5 settings. Brighter, duller, different types of flashes. Works really well. I recommend it. Turn it off for a minute. Oh, it's still quite bright. It flashes into my eyes. It breaks, blinds me when I look into that. There you go. Clicks in there. There's my little quad lock. That's where I put my iPhone 5. I use my as my navy. Got a quad lock for my iPhone 5S, but not for my iPhone 6. I fitted them out about 6 months ago. I bought those little bar ends from Amazement Cyclist in the cheapo section on the table. About $10. Maybe $5. Brooks B17 saddle, very comfy seat. I don't mind the original Brompton saddle, but that's even better again. I use toe clips. I know a lot of you aren't toe clip people, but I certainly am. I like having my foot in place, and you get the hang of it really quickly. See, the foot goes right back into space, it doesn't sort of slip around all over the place. I love them. And when I check it in, put it in the big bee bag, I just take one pedal off, slip it in the bee bag in the zipper compartment, and away you go. I'm going to start the climb now. I'll show you bits of it, and then I'll show you bits of my ride back. Ready to go? Come on. Steady cup.
Cup.
So far it's a 6 kilometre climb so far. Quite a climb on the Brompton. Especially I haven't done that much climbing lately. A lot of the locals come up here on their road bikes, their 7 kilo carbon bikes. And I passed one guy, no one passed me. One guy was trying. I'm going to head back down now. There goes someone. I don't know if you saw him. But it's a beautiful road to ride down. If you ever come to Chiangmai, bring your bike, your Brompton or your carbon bike or whatever bike, and make a point of riding Doi Suthep. Doi, which is Mount Suthep. And it's just at the foot of Chiangmai University, Moreshore there. Moreshore, which is Chiangmai Uni. There's a nice little doggy up there. Oh, there's a bit of rubbish on the ground, but one of the local dogs probably lives in one of the temples. There goes a cyclist. Steady cup, home.